Hello friends, welcome to Tech Zone. If you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe for the channel, comment and share. Click on like button. Let's move on to the video. In this video we see about Redmi Note 10s features and full specification and working of Redmi Note 10s. Redmi Note 10s first look. Launch date and price. Launch will be on the May 18, 2021. Accepted and price for 128 GB is rupees 15,990 and the price for 64 GB is rupees 14,990. Accepted. About the performance, the chipset is used is MediaTek Helio G95 and CPU is an octa-core architecture, will be 64-bit and graphics will be Mali G76 and MC4 and RAM will be 6 GB and RAM type will be LPDDR4X. About the display type will be AMOLED screen and the screen size will be 6.43 inches and resolution will be 1080 into 2400 pixels and aspect ratio will be 20:9 and pixel density will be 409 ppi and touchscreen, yes, we have capitative touchscreen and multi-touchscreen and refresh rate will be 60 Hz. About the design, their height will be 160.4 mm and width will be 74.5 mm and thickness will be 8.2 mm and weight will be 178 grams, 0.8 grams. Then waterproof, yes, we have a flash proof and also we have a dust proof. About the colors, we have three colors, one shadow black, forest white and deep sea blue. About the camera setup will be quad camera, 44 megapixel front of 1.79 primary camera and 8 MP front of 2.2 wide angle and ultra wide angle camera and 2 MP of front of 2.4 micro camera, 2 MP of front of 2.4 depth camera and flash it supports, yes, and then we have LED flash. Image resolution will be 9000 into 7000 pixels. The camera will be a digital zoom and features will be auto flash, face detection, test to focus. Shooting modes will be continuous shooting mode, high dynamic range mode. About the front camera setup will be single and resolution will be 30 MP, front of 2.45 wide angle primary camera. About the battery, we have the capacity of 5000 mAh and battery removal no, quick charging, yes, we have quick charging, yes, and also we have a fast charger and 33 volts, 54% charged within 30 minutes and USB type C is supported, yes. About the storage, we have an internal storage of 64 GB and expandable memory, yes, up to 512 GB and storage type will be USF 2.2. About the network and connectivity, here SIM slot will be a dual SIM GSM plus GSM, and SIM size is SIM 1 is nano, SIM 2 is also nano. Network supported will be 4G, 3G, 2G, and VoLTE network. Wi-Fi will be Wi-Fi 802.11. Wi-Fi features will be mobile hotspot, and Bluetooth will be V5.0. GPS yes with AGPS, and NFC no. USB connectivity, we have massive storage device and USB charging. About the multimedia, we have a loudspeaker and auto jack with a 3.5 mm. About the sensors in the phone, we have a fingerprint sensors yes, and fingerprint sensor position is on the side, and other sensors supported in the phone is light sensors, proxometer sensors, accelerometer, gyroscopy, compact sensors. Thank you for watching the videos. For more videos, subscribe for the channel. Thank you. Take care. Be safe.
You